Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're showing you how to record a FaceTime video call on iPhone, quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. This is where you can quickly access essential tools on your iPhone. Next, tap the Add icon, then find and select Screen Recording from the list. Add it to your Control Center so it's always within reach. Now, open the FaceTime app and start a video call. This is the call you'll be recording. Once your call has started, swipe down again from the top right corner to bring up the Control Center. Tap and hold the Screen Recording icon. It looks like a white dot inside a larger circle. If you want to include your voice and the other person's audio, tap the microphone button to turn it on. It'll turn red when it's active. Tap Start Recording to begin capturing the video. Then swipe back to your FaceTime call screen. You'll see a red dot at the top of your screen. That means your screen and the call is being recorded. When you're done with the call, tap the red dot to stop the recording. Your FaceTime call recording will be saved automatically in the Photos app on your iPhone. You can find it there and watch it anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more iPhone tips and tricks.